Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
More louder you have to speak. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
For 1 minute you have to speak and nobody will make joke, right? Nobody will laugh without any reason, right? And everybody will motivate somebody who is going to speak, who is going to enhance and boost his confidence. Everybody will motivate by your silence, by your seriousness, and by your attention. Everybody is requested to make somebody, to make your friend highly motivated, to speak and to boost his motivation and his confidence, because this session is very special for you, everybody, guys, right? So I think you have topic to speak. You use your hand movement, hand gesture, posture, and facial expression, then try to speak, right? So you have 1 minute, try to speak. Just 1, 2, 3.
Good morning to all, and respected sir for giving this opportunity to say something about my topic is education. So, friend, education is very necessary part of our life. Without education, we can't do anything. Without education, we cannot express my views another front of another person. So, if you are educated, so you definitely you achieve your goal and everything in your life. If you don't educated, so forget you got anything without
Ortiz.
education. We can't teach our family
Ortiz bolo.
any friend, and if you got married, so definitely you can teach your children also. So education is very most weapon in
Our life.
our life. So education, without education we can't do anything. Education, if you learn anything, so definitely you are educated. Education, uh, ed- uh, if you want to be, if you want to become a success, so definitely education is very important in our life.
आ जाइए, आप आइए quickly. Try to speak louder as much as you can.
Hello everyone, my name is Tanu Podar and today I would like to share about my topic, and my topic is that why I rejoined this institute again. Because when I joined this institute, that time I don't know value of English, and I also have not my dream, but now I have dream, and without English it is incomplete. And that time I don't know value of English, but now I really know value of English, because without English you do not anything. And my dream also incomplete without English. And now I really do now I really know learn English because of my dream in any course. And I hope I fluent learn English, because without it I'm not do anything.
I cannot do anything.
I cannot do anything. That's why I'm here, and see my face through in. I will definitely do this in my future and fulfill my dream, because now it's only my dream to learn English and do my goal in my life. Without this, I'm not do anything.
I cannot do anything.
I cannot do anything. So now I really learn English. That's why I'm here, and I promise that I learn this language
At any cost.
in any course.
Just see in front of me. Look in front of me. Say that I am promising
I promising
that I must learn
I must learn
by hook and by crook
by hook and crook
at any cost.
in any course.
That will be the part of my life.
That will be in part of my life.
Fantastic.
Thank you so much, everyone.
थर्ड डे क्लास में थैंक यू। थर्ड डे है ये औकात से ज्यादा बोल रहे हैं क्रियास टुडे। देखना 10 डेज के बाद इनकी चेंजेस। फटाफट इन में लिखना बेटा जल्दी क्विकली। Without noising. 1 minute. Just 2 seconds. Who wants to go बेटा? You may also listen now today.
Thank you, sir.
Yes. Now up, you have to show your energy to everybody, to motivate everybody that how this presentation should be there. कैसी होनी चाहिए आपको दिखानी है, because everybody comes here but they are not in their actual energy. They are not highly energetic. That as I want. So you have to show now. Start quickly.
Hello everyone, my name is Afsar Khan. Today I would like to talk about myself and you. I know you are defeating me and I understand that day by day I am wasting my time. I am not learning because I understand and you know that I have understood this thing that this is my time and I am trying and I am giving my time to learn this thing that English is very important for me and you are defeating me. You are saying that you can sleep and I'm just trying to improve my English but you are defeating me every time, every single moment. You are saying that it is very difficult but I can understand. I can achieve this thing and you are saying that it is important, it is not important for you but I can defeat you one day. I will become a good speaker and I can understand that every person who is thinking that he is not able to do that but it is very necessary for us because we understood that education is the power, education is the very beautiful thing that people can achieve everything due to education. And you know where we learn and we think that it improves our knowledge, it improves our skills and it improves your ability to achieve anything. You know this is very powerful thing and you have to complete this and you have to achieve this because education is very important for you and it will give you the success in your life. And whenever you see that you are a good educator and you can teach everyone, whenever you have this art and you can do anything, and that time you can understand that it is so powerful thing and you will feel this is beautiful thing that you have learned for your life because you know this is the thing that will give you the success. And the people who will see that you are a good educated person, they will admire you in front of everyone. Thank you.
Clapping. That is great energy. That is a great potential and energetic person you are. Fantastic. You should come. Next one. Quickly. Next one. Right?
Good morning everyone. Today I am here to share my topic. My topic is importance of education. As we all know that education is much important in our life and we want to become educated. Without education we can't do any work and education make our life easy. And some people who are not educated, they are saying this, if I will educated I can do anything but some people who can educate, they have time but they are not. They are saying that education cannot make me anything. But after some years they will say this line, education, if I have time, so I didn't educate, they after some years they get the value of education. And the one who is educated, he knows the value of education. Thank you.
Next one. Quickly. Try to speak louder. And little bit just move that side. Yes. Down speak. हल्का मेरी तरफ मुड़ी. मेरी तरफ मुड़ी हल्का. Down speak. Yes, beta. You make it now.
Good morning, all of you. I am having a wonderful opportunity today. Today is a wonderful topic and wonderful movement and wonderful activities and going on in this time. The reason that I am standing here, why are you standing here? First of all, I have been working in the companies or also lots of work. Have you been working in the long times? But I am standing here. Why? It's major role in your life. It's two types of reasons are there in your life. It's need and required. But still, you are defined. You are defined. Your need and your requirements. That's all. I am examples. I give you examples first of all, I have a water that had cold drinks, but still you are required in the water and cold drinks. But you are thirsty. Definitely you will be required in the water, not a liquid and not a cocoa. Yeah, that's it. Everything's. But need as well as I have a need in English. It's not a English is not a great task, and but still you are living in the life in the fast in this era, in this world. Definitely you will be need in the English. English is not a cup of tea. These are you are easily take the easily. No, it's very tough language. It's everything is purchased easily, but that is not purchasing easily. Reason that the gifts are the more than monies. The lots of people are living in the life, whole life living, but not take the education. Why? It's not a cup of tea. That is very important in the life. That persons are success, but only for way or single way of these educations, not that.
Okay, fantastic. Next one. Quickly. Yes, little bit towards camera. You have to move and south now.
Like this, sir.
Yes.
Hello everyone, good morning to all of you. Thank you very much for having me here. My name is Armani, friend of you all. Today I am standing here to highlight my topic. So my topic is why we learn English. It is important, but we are living in India. Why we are living in India? Because we are living in India. Our national language is Hindi. Why we are learning English? Because it's important too much. It's become my passion. It's become my goals. It's become my habit. And I want to learn this language because I love it. I can do this and I learn. I want to learn because when I came here in this institute, I am not able to speak. I am not able to stand in front of people. But I am very grateful to taught by Sambhu sir. And now I am able to speak something in front of you all. And I am standing here and I am shouting. And but I am not completing my plan. I am not completing fully English. But I want to become a very good person, very good speaker. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Today I would like to talk about myself. You know, earlier when I came here, so I was not able to speak. Even I was too much demotivated because I don't have my role model. But after joining NEEP and changing my time, I become motivated. You know why? The Sambhu sir is there. He always support me to speak, to express my views in front of the people. I can serve myself by because he is with me. I consider he is my teacher and I always consider that Sambhu sir is also as like my brother. He is my guardian also. Because of him, I am able to speak in front of my relative. Those are always jealous to me. Those are always feel jealous to my family. Nowadays, my relatives call me the English mother. Why? Whenever they saw my video, they always think that now she is becoming improving and she is improving herself and now she is able to speak. And now I am able to do anything. Even I don't have fear of anything. Even I am as much confident that I can do anything in any time. Even if I talk about myself, so I was earlier I was so demotivated person. Even I was like a homebody. I used to live in my house. Because of it I was becoming demotivated and I don't like to go outside because I know that if I will go, so definitely people will talk about me and they will think that she is a girl and she is coming out, that why she is behaving like this, why she is talking with the boys. But now my mentality is changed, that I am also a person, that I have also right to do anything. I have also right to speak like a boy. I have a right to speak, laugh like a boy. That most of the people told to me that you are a girl, not to laugh louder, you have to laugh slow because you are a girl. And if you will go in front of someone and if you will laugh, so definitely you will face problem. So don't shy and you should try to be yourself, not for others. That's all about myself.
Fantastic. Fantastic. After some times again you will speak, right? After some times, 1 or 2 minutes.
Hello everyone. So I'm talking about the dream. What is dream? Everybody is talking about dream. Dream is that what is holding in your mind. That is hard. It's not easy. Like suppose if you want to become like doctor, engineer, and businessman, so set your dream and believe yourself. Don't depend on the other. Just set your mentality. So you are going to face in future lots of pain, lots of lots of failure, lots of disappointment, lots of failure. So just ready to like a face. If you want to really become like a success in your life, just set the dream like Arunima Sinha. Arunima Sinha is that lady who lost her leg during the train accident. After that, she climbed the mountain and set the dream like Kelora Takas. Kelora Takas is the like a hungry man. He lost his shooting hand during the Hungry army. After that, he won the Olympic medal. So like a dream. That's all about.
Lovely. Quickly.
So good morning everybody. My name
Louder.
Is, so good morning everybody.
Yes.
My name is Sundaram. Thank you for giving me this opportunity given by sir. Today I would like to tell about success. So what is the meaning of success? So it's according to me, success it's mean you are achieving your goal with your happiness. This is called success. So I want to tell one story about a UPSC aspirant. So the aspirant has been preparing his exam for 5 years. So that he failed again and again. So they disappointed so many times. But they don't give up in our life. Always they motivate our teachers and our student. And
Okay, great.
okay, sir.
Okay, fantastic. Clapping for him. He did well practiced.